Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Tanjun.
It's for you. Go for it. Happy birthday. It's a train set. It's for your birthday. You're 2 years old now. What? Put it wherever you want. It's yours. What? Give it to me? Yeah, it's yours. Tell you got bedhead. Yeah, it's a little truck. Truck. You're giving me everything. Oh, you're driving the truck on me? You're driving the truck on Mama? It's a helicopter. Ty, look if we can do a flyby. What do you think, Ty? I know, it certainly is. Right. Well, I hope you like it because it takes up about a quarter of our living room. You like that, don't you? Oh, you killed the people waiting at the train station.
Station master.
Yep, there's another guy in there. I think you're going to be at this for a while, huh, Ty? Ty, do you like it? Is it okay? Yeah, that's a wheelhouse, I think they call that. That's the station. Eki. I don't know what that is. There's a lot of stuff going on, that's for sure. Here, let's do... Yep, there's a lot of stuff here, Ty. Oh. Well, happy birthday, Ty.
Happy birthday.
Brushing your teeth on the video.
I know. Does the sound come out?
Of course. All right, buddy. Enjoy. See ya. Bye-bye. Oh. You know that's a drawer. Well, I won't tell you about the drawer. See ya.